Sandeep4P1, send an OTP. OTP was sent. Copy, paste, verify. ठीक है, यहाँ पे verification हो गया. Then we are going to use some account what describes you. I agree. Start building. Alright, and the account is created. So user has registered successfully. We should get another welcome to Kloudbean. We can go to the dashboard. Perfecto. This is my old account. I want to show it to you on the new one. I kept the same passwords. Alright, you can fill out this, or I can just skip for now. And this is how you get your Kloudbean account. Similar to n8n Cloud, but a little different. This has more flexibility. Let's add a server. To show you, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to launch my free trial. We are in the free trials. I'm just going to choose this. So you choose whatever you want, but the prices start from 8. I'll put a code in the description by which you can get 40% discount for the first 3 months of your trial. And that will help you out to get started and work it out. So choose whatever you want based on the memory and CPU. The prices are going to change, but you're getting a hefty discount, so please utilize it. And based on the service provider, the prices may change a little bit, but let's just go with Linode over here. The application that we want to install n8n. I am close to Newark, New Jersey. We're going to name this. My n8n server name is also this thing. Application, let's put it this way, my n8n, and this is n8n. Let's get started. So for the sake, I'm going to choose this, launch free trial. It's going to redirect me to the payment gateway. Okay, save. All right. So it's processing right now. As long as your credit card information is correct, you should be good to go. There will be a temporary charge of $1 which will be refunded to you. So do not worry about that. Once your credit card goes through, you should be good to create your own server. So, all right. For some reason, it did not get, but if you see, just refresh it if you see the black screen. And right now the server is getting created. So you'll get the trial ends in 3 days over here, which is good enough to complete this course. All right, so give it some time and you should have a server up and running like this. You can go here, you can see, Alexa, shut up. I'll see, I should be able to see all the health and server of the server itself. However, this is not where your application is. Your n8n is going to be over here. I'll show you back when you go to your dashboard. This is the server that we built, and when you click over here, this is my n8n instance that I created, launch application, and this is the same screen. Once you register over here, it's the same thing like n8n Cloud. You'll get you'll have to activate your account, and over here you're going to get your own n8n instance. It's a self-hosted instance, a little bit different than the n8n Cloud. However, you have a lot of flexibility when it comes to your own server. Your data is private. Bells and whistles, I'll make another video, or you can check my YouTube podcast with the CEO of Kloudbean, which is Vikram, a very good friend of mine, and we have explained what are the differences between cloud and the self-hosted version. With that said, let's continue with our course. Thank you.